loves. Remember, if you want to keep updated with everything I'm loving, then make sure you link, like and subscribe to all my videos, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. So, I have the February Papergang box and I'm super excited as usual. So let's get into it. So, February's Papergang box. It is neon pink and it is bullet journal time. So, as always, on the back we have some cutouts, and this month it is bookmarks. So we've got one that says current thoughts and ponderings, and we have today is the day. So make sure you give those a cut out and start using them. So I've gone ahead and I have sort of opened the box, but I don't know what's inside because, as always, it takes me ages to get into the box. So let's just remove the outer slip. Always so gorgeous every month. And again, I can't, I can get back into it. Okay, so who's ready for the goodness? I'm always so excited. Okay, so we have baby blue tissue paper this time, and as always, printed on every box, we have how Papergang works, so you can't go wrong. So let's get unwrapping. Okay, so this box is pretty cool and it is exceptionally bright. The first thing I'm going to reach for is this neon plastic ruler. Now, for me, this is brilliant. I'm always trying to find a ruler, and yeah, this is pretty cool. So I can use that most definitely. The next thing, I'm going to take from underneath here. Honestly, this box is so bright, it's beautiful. But hey, look at this. We have a plastic wallet, or what resembles a pencil case, and inside, well, it's a good size. It is a good size actually. So if you didn't want to use this for a pencil case, I guess you could use it as a makeup case if you've got stuck, but that's pretty cool. Love that. And inside we have some neon pencils, a pack of 3. We've got a yellow, a green and a pink, so they'll come in handy. And actually, what I might do, slip the ruler in. Cool, love that. The next thing is, here we go. So every month, as you know, we do get a brochure which gives us a rundown of costs of each individual item, and also all about what the box is about. So this month it is Let's Talk Bullet Journals. So I don't claim to be a bullet journal expert. This is the first time really that I've actually been able to open something and it just be all about bullet journals. So this is new for me as well. Although I do have diaries, I have notepads, you know, that I scribble in, but I don't bullet journal at this point. But I might start. So we'll come back to this in a bit. The next thing is, okay, so we've got our calendar card. You get one of these in every box, and I wasn't quite sure what they were when I first received my first box. We're on my 3rd box now. But yeah, I see that these actually work really well for bullet journals, so they're pretty cool. Again, along with the neon pink theme, we've got our calendar card with Easter Sunday and Easter dates, important dates. So that's a pretty cool one to add into your bullet journals if you're collecting those like I am. The next thing is, now, it is yeah, I'm guessing this is a bullet journal. So from the spine, it's quite a raw looking design, but I actually really like it. So at first I thought I had individual sort of notepads, but I don't. It is this gorgeous pink notepad, and inside we have the dots. So from looking at a few YouTube videos, I've actually seen that quite a few bullet journals with these dots. So that's pretty cool, and it says day to day on it in some sparkly writing, so I absolutely love that. And we've come to the last 2 items in the box, and I love this. I love their greeting cards. They are so quirky. But we have a little miss. Now, I'm going to sound really old, but I remember these guys from my childhood and loved them then, and I love anything to do with them now. I just think they're really cute. So this is Little Miss Fun. And last but not least, we have stickers. I am a sucker for good stickers, and I think these are pretty cool because they're quite motivational stickers as well. So as soon as you've got something done, put a sticker on it. You've got something to do, put a sticker on it. So these are pretty cool. So we've got smashed it, bossing it, let's do it. It just keeps you, I'm guessing, really on target and really motivated for those things that you want to do. I quite like this one at the back here where it says appointment at and clean the. So they're pretty cool. We've also got ones here, spring, summer, autumn, winter. So yeah, you get 4 of those in a pack. So I think they'll be pretty cool in your new bullet journal. But yeah, so that is the contents of the box. So let's find out how much each individual item costs. So every month we get a brochure and it tells us all about what the box is about. So this theme this month is obviously bullet journaling. So gives you a little bit of insight into what they are, how you might do things, checklists, so what you'll need to bullet journal. So yeah, it's a pretty good read actually. It just gives you more insight into maybe even the designer that's been featured. Without further ado, let's get into the costings. So we have our A5 bullet journal, which is this one here, you can see, and that is £6.95. The next thing on my list is the neon ruler, which I have now put into my pencil case, and this was £2.95, not bad. The next thing is the neon zip bag, which I'm calling a pencil case. This is £3.95, along with the neon pack of pencils. You get 3 in there and they are £2.95. The next thing is the stickers. The stickers, you get 4 sheets and they are £3.95. And last but not least, we have our greeting card, Little Miss Fun, and that is £2.50. So as always, our box always exceeds how much we pay for it, and I really do think it is value for money. They make great presents as well. Get yourself over to Papergang if you want to bullet journal, or even if you want to know a little bit more about bullet journaling, you can make your way to Oh Dear. I will leave the link below. Also as well, don't forget it is Mother's Day on the 11th of March, so I wouldn't want any of you to forget that, and I'm pretty sure Oh Dear don't want you to forget either. So if you are interested, make sure you click that link below and take a look at what's on offer. And as always, I'm pretty positive about this box. I'm not someone who's used a bullet journal myself, but I think after this it's going to give me a good reason to. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the videos. I hope you'll join me for the March box. Thanks for watching as always, and make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye!